Morning everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just sharing with you what we're doing today. We're down in beautiful Lismore. We're cleaning the Uniting Church down here in the centre of town. So we're still doing some works after the floods come through here and unfortunately did a lot of damage. We'll be cleaning the exterior of this church today. Steeples, the roof, some walls and on the other side. So yeah, but it'll be great to get this church back up and looking well. And get ready for present off this beautiful town. Thanks for watching.